Hi viewers, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. In the previous video, we have created an alternate post here so that when we are clicking on that one, we are able to get the selected post details, right? Now we need to create an action stream for this one. Now, can we create an action stream here? Subject, can we create it here? We should not create it. Why? Because here we have another component. Okay, we have another component, and that component may need to use that selected post. Whatever the user selecting the post, you need that component also make use of that component. Make use of that selected post component. Now whenever I click on this post, so if I create an action stream here, so that action stream will be restricted to only this component. So for that reason, what we need to do, so you need to decide whether I need to create an action stream in this component or in the service. So in the service means that action stream can be used by all the components. So who are the components need that action. Or otherwise, if you create in this same component only, then it will make sure it will be used in that component only. So the decision should be based on the requirement. Now here I want that action stream should be used in both the single post component and also the alt post component. So let's try to use the service. So we have a service something like declarative post.service.ts, and here let's try to create a subject, and here I can use selected post subject, and let's make sure to keep it as a private so that nobody can call this one. So I am creating a new subject. Okay, so this will take string, so that is nothing but an post id. So for me the id is a string, so that is the reason I am keeping it here, and create an action stream selected post action dollar is equal to this dot selected post subject dot as observable. Okay, so as I have created an observable. Now what I need to do, so here whenever the user selects on the post, I need to create an action stream. So I need to call the action stream. So how can I create here? So this dot post service dot selected. So what we can do, so we cannot call this selected post subject. So that is for that reason, let's create a method something like select post or something like, whatever the method you want, you can create it. Post of type post id, we will be getting the post id of type string. Okay, and here I will call something like this dot selected post subject dot next. I will use dot next of, I will send this post id. So fine, right? So it will accept the string. So fine. Now let's try to send this post id from the alt post component.ts. So here if I try to do select post of post dot id, fine. So fine, we are sending. So here we are getting an error that maybe the post id may not exist. So you can write a condition in such a way that if post id exists only, then send this one. So not a problem. So fine. Now we are calling the subject. Here let's go to the service. We are calling the subject. Now we need to get the single post details so that we can highlight that one in the single post component. So now let's try to create a property post dollar. So how can we get that post single post? So we need to combine latest. Okay, and here first we need to get the post. So we will be getting that one using this dot post dollar with category, and another one what we can get is, so we can make use of this, another one is the this dot selected post action. So with that action you will get that what is the post that I want to extract. So here I can use the pipe of map operator. So I can use this map operator. So here, and in this map operator what you will try to get, you will try to get, okay, you will try to get the post and also selected post id. So you will get the selected post id. That's it, right? So here I can do something like, so here I can do something like return post dot find. I can find over the each post, so that post dot id is equal to selected post id. Fine, right? So you will get a particular post. That's it. So now what is happening here? So this dot selected post action. So we are taking the selected post, and here it is saying that select. Okay, so we are using it before the initialization, so we need to add it below this one. Fine. So we got the output. So now combine latest. What it is doing? It is trying to combine with the post with category with the selected post action. So whenever the user selects the particular post, you will get the post ID. So that using that post ID, you can loop over the post and extract the particular post. Now this one is a single post. Now let's go to the single post component dot ts, and here what I can do here, let's inject the post service, private post service of type declarative post service and here I want to show the single post. So you can have single post is equal to this dot post service dot post. We want to get the single post means, so it should be single post. That's it. Now let's go to the implementation. So HTML implementation of this one. So here in this one, what I can do, so I can do the div, and here I can show in a such a way that I want to get the title, so sorry, ID, and here you can write a condition in a such a way that ng if, so I have the post dollar async, so I am calling this one as post, so I can do this one, and here what I can do, post dot id, and here another one you will be having title, so I can do post dot title. Okay, post dot title. So let's try to see here why we are getting this output. So post dot id and also post dot title. Okay, and another one is the description. Description is nothing but post dot description. Okay, and another one is the category. I can show that category using category name. That's it, right? So we are getting an error. So let's try to see template URL category post occurs in the single post component. So what is that error we are getting? Okay, let's try to see. So what could be the error here? Sorry, the error is something like we are using the colon here, right? We need to use it outside. So title also we need to use it outside. So description also we need to use it outside. These are static, right? So here we this one also we can, sorry, this one also we need to use it outside. That's it. So we are displaying the post details. Let's try to see it here, output. So now if I try to refresh, so we are going to alt post, and if I click on this one, see, we are able to successfully display the post details. So here we are able to see the post details. So what is happening here? So here we are showing all the post details in an alt post component whenever the user selects the particular post, and we are triggering an action so that whenever that action, so in the declarative post service, so where is the declarative post service? So declarative post service. So yeah, here whenever this action is fired, so combine latest will be fired again, and it will filter the posts according to that selected post ID. So when this post is updated, automatically wherever you are using this single post component, this post, it will be fired and it will be displaying the data. And here you can do the change detection to change detection strategy on push. So you can convert it automatically. Change detection strategy dot on push. Okay, so this is how we will be making the component communication using the action stream. So hope you understood about this one. And the thing what is remaining here is, so whatever the user selects here, we should highlight it with an active link, right? So let's try to do it in the next video. Hope you understood about this one. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.